Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Rojas and running mate Leni Robredo bring their campaign to the vote-rich province of Cebu. Their guest of honor is their biggest endorser yet, President Benigno Aquino III. Rojas speaks to shipbuilders in Lapu-Lapu City while Robredo talks to battered women and the urban poor. The activities reflect the tandem's main campaign promise: jobs for Rojas and empowerment of the marginalized for Robredo. Cebu is the country's most vote-rich province with over 2.7 million registered voters for the 2016 national elections. Rojas won big here in 2010, getting over 1 million votes and winning in almost all of the towns and cities. It's a feat the LP wants to repeat in 2016.
Kitang-kita ko, dilaw na ang Mandaue at ang buong Cebu province. Nandito kayong lahat. Nakasuot tayo ng dilaw dahil nais nating ipakita, nais nating sabihin na kami ang sundalo sa daang matuwid at kami ang magpapatuloy ng daang matuwid.
But it's not going to be easy. 5th District Representative Ace Durano, formerly of the LP, is now the campaign manager of Senator Grace Poe. Davao Mayor Rodrigo Duterte's promise of a Bisaya president also resonates for some residents here. Duterte traces his roots to Danao City in Cebu. Vice President Jejo Marbinay, who Rojas clobbered in the province back in 2010, has been religiously visiting the province to court the Cebuano vote.
Palagay ko, hindi ako tatantanan ng kung ano na mga akusasyon at kabalustugan. Importante lang malagay sarili na sa mga pahayagan. No? Palagay ko naman po, tumupad na ako sa inyo sa ating usapan na ang iwan ko di hamak na mas maganda sa ating pong dinatnan. At ulit-ulitin ko lang po, kayo ang gumawa na ng lahat ito. Ang direksyon na patutunguhan natin, kayo pa rin ang uhubog. At yan po, kailangan maging tama ang desisyon natin sa Mayo o ikasam ng Mayo.
Tuloy-tuloy, sama-sama sa daang matuwid, tuloy.
But on Election Day, will the Cebu of 2016 be as yellow as the Cebu of 2010? Bea Cupin Rappler, Mandaue City.